Alright, this is going to be a nice canvas. You can see all the bamboo slices are arranged parallel and made the DIY handmade canvas, bamboo slices canvas for painting. So I'm going to draw in a different way here. Let's start the drawing. First, I'm going to take the red color, okay, to draw a pyramid here. So the first pyramid, you can see there's going to be the nereidus. Okay, so from the top I'm just putting the colors mhm, to the top. Okay, and this is going to be the pointy on top. As you know, the pyramid is a triangular shaped volume. Okay, so there's the pyramid which is near us, the bigger one. You can see the graphical presentations. Okay, the other side I'm just going to draw with a separate line. Okay. Mhm. So you can see the first pyramid here. Let's put a little bit few strokes, and another one we're going to see. That's going to be the overlapping with the first one here. Little bit smaller, and you can see the drawing. Mhm. All right, just making the color little bit darker. Mhm. And outlining the other edges, so you can see two pyramids. Okay, all right, two pyramids here. And for the ground, you can just see the ups and downs of the hilly terrain. It's not hilly, but because of the sand dunes, accumulated in some places very high rise, and in some places little bit low rise. So all the sand dunes looks like that it's a hilly area. Okay, now I'm going to take the black color to make the outline just alongside the borders. Okay, and the pyramid is getting nicely visible. Okay, the outline you can see. All right, so the base color, I'm just adding little bit water to make the color combinations little bit darker here. Also adding up the black color in the ground level. Okay, so you can see the border lines just here coming up here. Mhm. This is going to be the beach alongside the pyramid, something like the spaces for the enjoying the scenery beside a water body. So this is going to be a water body. Just putting few strokes. Mhm. Okay, two trees we're going to draw here, and the one smaller. Okay, in some cases you can see the trees maybe in a red combinations of color. So it's the imagination. So how do you want to show your creativity? You can use any colors, any format. There's the totally freedom of the artist for any kind of drawing. Okay, I just put the trees here. You can see the baseline, and for the water body maybe I'm going to put in, you know, boat to show that this is a water body. Okay, you can see the boat here. Putting a stand for the boat, another one. So two stand and a single boat here, putting more color to define it very clearly. And again adding a little bit more color to draw the side of the pyramid and the shades more clearly. So that's going to be the dark red color. Okay, the drawing is almost finished. Okay, so this is going to be a nice combinations, and you can see the nice scenery of the desert climate, the pyramid, the boat, the white sky, red board. So all of these things, because the texture is rough, so the drawing is not smooth, but that's the beauty of these types of drawing. Even any types of drawings has its own appeal to the viewers. So this is how we just show the creativity to draw. You can draw in any surface. Okay, so I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.